Hi, I'm gonna wake up with this beer from Founders. Come on, classic breakfast stout. Everyone knows this one.
Everybody
I talk
knows
about
this
it
beer.
all the time. Double chocolate coffee oatmeal stout. 8.3%, 60 IBUs.
Solid for breakfast.
The coffee lovers consume. See, that's why she reads the bottles.
The coffee lovers. Consummate beer. Brewed with an advance of flaked oats, bitter and imported chocolates, and 2 types of coffee. The stout is intense, fresh roasted Java notes topped with a frothy, cinnamon-colored head that goes forever. Ever. Can you open it? What are you doing, Phil? Fucking everything up.
It's definitely a you problem right here. There you
Shut
go.
up. Sure. Phones for days. Oh, I guess there's a lot of foam there now.
Professional right here.
Look at it. Lots of coffee. Obviously, this would be awesome. Constantly. I don't know. I love this beer year round. I think it's a solid beer. Actually, maybe not year round. I think maybe like fall, winter is the best time for this beer. I know it's like brewed year round, bottled year round, distributed.
This was bottled on
The first,
January
yeah.
23rd. Like this is this year.
Yeah, it's this year.
Yeah. Well, it's getting up there, but I mean the coffee flavor's gonna die down a bit.
No, but the coffee's still way up front.
Still there though, yeah.
Just like a good beer. Solid.
But those back end malts have definitely mellowed out on ours.
I'm not big on malts, and I don't pick up a lot of them.
So
I
like
think you're correct.
having that. So
Yeah.
it goes to show that
it's not as fresh. Like there's a huge difference between a beer that's extremely
Well,
fresh and then a beer that's like still
not
like
fresh,
good.
but aged. Because some beers you gotta let go.
Yes.
Like a Chimay Blue is aged for 3 years before it comes out.
Oh,
So
I love Chimay.
is it any less fresh?
No, it's not. Okay,
So it's for style.
style, because like you don't like a trainer.
You wouldn't want to drink a
no,
3-year-old
IPA.
wheat beer.
No, you don't want to drink. Oh, like
Oh, yeah.
a New England IPA. Oh, like
Oh
just
yeah.
all that cream.
You age those for 60 days and then you drink them, all at once. Like that's why you want to double check for your bottle on dates and your brew on dates. Like those are important dates. And sometimes maybe you don't like a beer right when you first buy it, but let it age a little bit and watch how it changes.
That's absolutely true. I know that where I work when we do like bourbon beers, and like we had one with a lot of peppers, and it was super hot when I first tried it. Or like some things were super sweet when I first tried it, and then the next like even week they had totally changed. And then it continued to change. Like even now, like it's still, and it's just it just mellows out all the flavors, and it just kind of really balances the beer depending on the kind of beer you're drinking. Like this stout, it's super balanced right now. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, like stouts too, you can even serve them a little bit like room temperature, a little bit above, to get the full flavor of the beer. You actually don't want to drink them super cold. The more you let them warm up to room temperature, the more flavors you are gonna get from the beer. Oh, darn it, Phil, if you don't learn something every day.
I try not to. Hey.
Oh, shit.
You can always learn something if you're not careful.
Oh, shit. All right. Cheers.
Cheers to that.
Don't drink and drive, assholes.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you care even more, support us on Patreon. What?
We're just... I'm worried about it. I have the rest of this and you don't.
What? You mad about the cap?
Yeah, you just did something. I mean, it was very aggressive.
I was saying if it was something I did now or earlier, so I can learn from my mistake, Casey. I can't improve myself if you don't tell me how.
You can go fuck yourself is how.
Or you can also like, comment, and subscribe to let us know how we're doing. And I'll fall over. There we go. Hey, I'm on a chair.
Oh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Are you falling?
Pulling me down. We're pulling me down to your level. Did you take the elevator?
No, but I'm about to.
Yeah, you're...
No. Don't tell me when to smile.
It'll make me laugh.
I'll smile when I want to smile.